So we've hollowed this out to just about an inch. So we're going to take this down so that the soundboard is around about 4 millimeters thick. So we prepared our routing jig. We've made sure that the inside is all smooth, ready for the router bit. To attach it to the blank, there's several ways of doing it. You can screw, there's plenty of places that you can actually screw if you want to screw the piece of wood down. I'm going to show this is just going to use double-sided tape because we've got an MDF. Because we're using a piece of chipboard that's been sealed, this side is quite good for sticking double-sided tape on. So we're going to apply double-sided tape to this underside here. And so fast forward through this bit. Okay, so with double-sided tape, now line this up to where the pencil, make sure the straight edge fits. I'm also going to secure this with a bench dog on one side. I say you can add a screw holes and you can screw this piece of wood down as well if you want an extra security. I think I'm happy for the mount. I've hollowed out so much of this inside. The router's really just doing a cleanup operation, and then once you've done the cleanup operation you can do the final route to flatten the bottom. We've done the initial routing, we've still got the final depth to do. But what I'm going to do next is flip the mould around and do the other side. I've got, this is a two instruments in one plank. So I'll do the other one as well to the same level. We've got some cleanup to do in here, and we'll do some more final routing and final sanding in a minute. I've switched to a slightly shorter router bit more stability, slightly heavier router. This is a 1/2 inch Bosch router that I use. So I've cleaned up the bottom, which of course this island here to do. We're just drilling a small hole, because this is the reverse side of the instrument. We're just going to drill a small hole here. should be. Pin mark this now. What we can do, we're going to now bandsaw this and sand this to shape. As you see, I've already marked on where I want the tail piece to come. This is the wood I've chosen for the tail piece section. I'll be cutting this outside. This will be cut only roughly to size, and we'll also leave it square on both edges so that we can drill the holes easily. So we'll be cutting this out on the bandsaw. You can use, I guess you could use a jigsaw as well, or a handsaw, but I'm going to